गोय राज्य इंडस्ट्री संघटनेची वार्षिक सर्वसाधारण बसका जाली। ह्या बसकेक गोयचे मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत आणि मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हजर आशिल्ले। RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Industries Minister, the first time he's holding this portfolio, so definitely I think half the problems is solved. The President of GSIA, Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, newly elected President, Mr. Damodar Kochkar. Congratulations to you and for your newly elected team, other dignitaries on the dais. So many important people among the audience. Mr. Damodar Kochkar had already told me there's so many grievances from all the IDCs, I think so. I had also personally visited 6 to 7 IDCs. I know personally, you people are facing the problem. But this is not a forum to answer all the grievances. I'll tell you the one thing. Definitely, we'll sit one day. We'll call all the president of your IDC particularly, and we'll sit along with the health minister, along with the industries minister, along with our all the concerned department. He has told about the factories and boilers. He has told about the electricity, water supplies. I know they are the problem. For the last 1 year, actually it is not possible because of the ex-chief minister's ill health. And now, already I am there. Already we have given the portfolios for our dynamic minister. Is already Vishwajit Rane is there, Nilesh Kabral is there, and the PWD minister has also changed. Now is our PWD minister Deepak.
I am very happy to be a part of the cabinet and the responsibility given by our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. One thing before going ahead I would like to share with you is that I just, first apologize. I would like to apologize for the delay. I think both of us got stuck at different places. Most important thing is, I would like to reassure you that we are here with a specific vision, is to work with the industry, respect the sentiments of the industry.